Today let's talk about the forging of titanium ingots. Before forging, the ingots are heated to a specific temperature in a heating furnace. During forging, a manipulator transfers the heated ingots to the forging equipment. The maximum forging force reaches 7,000 metric tons, and precision operations are controlled by an automatic operating system. It resembles a massive tower giant with flexible arms, maneuvering the ingots to rotate and spin. Through forging and extrusion, the ingots are shaped into billets. After the initial forging, the forged billets undergo a second heating process to prepare for the next forging steps.